In this video we're going to look at the import of products into 1BizApp. If you saw the previous video on importing contacts, then this process is similar. First, we're going to have a quick look at the standard Excel worksheet 1BizApp uses to import data. You can create your import data using this spreadsheet, but if you use bill of materials in Excel or have data like this, then you can use that too. The 1BizApp import system is intelligent enough to import and create products from almost any spreadsheet with a minimum of editing on your part. Let's try and import a bill of materials spreadsheet that may be similar to one you have. This spreadsheet has formatting and photos in it that 1BizApp won't be able to understand. So the first thing to do is to remove all formatting on cells as shown here. Now we're simply deleting the picture. You don't have to do this, but you can see the cells more clearly. Next, we're simply going to delete the first lines, leaving the heading as row 1. Now our data is ready to export to a comma-separated variable file that 1BizApp can understand. Save as a CSV file somewhere on your hard disk. 1BizApp looks for certain headings in the header row, and if the import function doesn't recognize the headings, it prompts you to change them so that it can put the right data in the correct fields. These are the headings that we have in our Excel spreadsheet, and these are the headings that 1BizApp is expecting. So we need to map the headings in our file to the headings 1BizApp is expecting. Now, when we do the import, we'll know what headings we want to use. You could have done that on the original spreadsheet, but let's see how 1BizApp handles data it doesn't expect. Go to Import Data in Settings, select Products. Now, load and check data. Browse to the CSV file we saved earlier. Open the file and 1BizApp tells you that the heading titles are not what he expected. Having already done the mapping of old headings to 1BizApp headings, we simply edit the old headings. Notice unit cost is already green, as this is what 1BizApp expects. Once this is done, the data should import correctly. So we click on Import Data. If there were any errors, 1BizApp would return with amber or red error messages which would need correcting before import. Check the Delete Existing Products box if you want to replace all existing products. Here the lines are all correct, so the import goes ahead. The import is complete, so let's have a look at the data. Go into Products, Product List. You can see all the products we imported from our bill of materials. If you click on the magnifying glass next to the item name, you can see its details. For use in 1BizApp, you may have to add a bit more detail to the record. Finally, we accidentally imported the total row in our bill of materials, so tick the box next to the item and click on Delete, then Confirm. The record is deleted.